Alligation only works when every ingredient is written in the same unit of value, rupees per kilo with rupees per kilo, or percent acid with percent acid. Mix a rupee rate with a purity percent, and you do not have a mean at all. SSC CGL Quant loves that trap. By the end, you will pick the value unit first, convert every ingredient into it, then run the cross honestly on acid percentages. A unit of value is the kind of measure the question is averaging, rupees per kilogram, percent purity, grams per liter. The cross compares those values of the same kind per the same unit of quantity. The ratio that comes out is a ratio of those same quantity units, kilos with kilos, liters with liters. Watch the first move. Whatever the question measures, rupee rate, purity, or concentration, write every ingredient in that one unit before you name cheaper, dearer, or mean. If the stem is about acid strength, every number is percent acid. If the stem is about tea cost, every number is rupees per kilo. Now the decision rule in pictures. Rupees per kilo with rupees per kilo is fine. Percent purity with percent purity is fine. Mixing rupees over a kilo with a percentage without converting is not a mean at all. Stop and convert before any arithmetic. Carry the idea forward. The cross formula does not know whether the numbers are rupees or percents. It only needs them comparable. After every ingredient sits in one unit, you may place cheaper C, dearer D, and mean M on the cross scaffold, cards first, no distances yet. Mix 20% and 50% acid to a 30% solution, find weaker. Stronger after locking the unit. Cheaper purity C equals 20, dearer D equals 50, mean M equals 30. This gives percent acid. Cheaper purity C equals 20, dearer D equals 50, mean M equals 30. This gives percent acid. Now D minus M equals 50 minus 30. This gives 20. Now M minus C equals 30 minus 20. This gives 10. Now weaker, stronger equals 20-10. This gives 2-1. The result is 2-1. The trap. Check the unit first. These are percent acid values, not rupees. The arithmetic shape matches a rupee rate question. Only the unit name changes. The exam trap is simple. Percent purity is already value per unit volume. The same numbers with rupees instead of percents would be a rupee rate question. The arithmetic does not change, only the unit name. Do not convert 20% into a fake rupee figure before the cross. Fresh check. In a new question about same unit of value, which quantity must be identified before any arithmetic? The answer is the governing value unit, rupee/kg, percent purity, or concentration, so every ingredient is comparable before C, D, and M are named. The governing value unit, rupee/kg, percent purity, or concentration. Because choosing the governing unit first prevents the shortcut from being applied across mixed kinds of measure. Pick the value unit, convert every ingredient into it, place C, D, and M, then take opposite distances and check. Comment below with one unit mix-up that still confuses you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the replacement and 3-ingredient follow-ups land in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill mixtures and the cross while this is fresh.